Hi, and welcome to Rio Mar Designs YouTube channel. My name is Ali Bikolski, and I am the owner and designer of Rio Mar Designs, where I create organizers to help you end the stress of digging through the mess and enjoy carefree travel without needless worries. Today I want to show you one of the products I created not long ago, and it was created with a specific purpose, but I'm going to show you another ways that you can use it. But before I do that, can I ask you a favor? If you could please hit the like button, it helps me more than you know, and subscribe to my channel. That way you can be notified when I upload the next video. Okay, now on with the show. Here's the So Essential pouch. It's very similar to the Duo pouch that I also have, but this one obviously is made out of regular material. It's actually waterproof canvas, and I have it in 3 different colors, so navy blue, burgundy, and forest green. The black one is sold out. I may make some more later on when I restock, but these are the ones that I have right now. And this pouch originally was made for the, mask and the hand sanitizer, right? But as I want to show you different ways that you can use this product even after the pandemic. This product can also be used to bring any of your travel size toiletries with you. Whether you're going on a short trip or a long trip, it doesn't matter. You need to bring your essentials with you. This pouch not only works for any of the toiletries, but you can also store here any like necklaces, headphones, phone chargers, anything like that that is absolutely essential for you. They're easy to store. You can easily put this inside after you finish packing, and you put this right on top of it before you close it, and it will be so easy for you to find exactly what you need when you need it. You can also hang it on the straps of your bag, and you can have easy access to your things right away. This pouch is waterproof as well. So if you are worried that you put your headphones here, or you put a cable or something, receipts, anything like that, that they will get damaged, don't worry about that, because this pouch is waterproof. There's a PVC coating inside the pouch that doesn't allow any water to go through. So if I do a little show and tell, see a little bit of water, see how it slides right through? And if I go on the inside, look how dry it is. You see? This is not a magic trick. This is really how it is. So it is waterproof. You can carry this with you and carry your essentials with you everywhere you go. Believe me, this will be a very useful pouch for you. I have the link down below if you want to get one. And also, if you want to see it in other colors, let me know down in the comments. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.